Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Snapchat story notifications. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application. On your Snapchat application, you have to click on your profile icon that is present at the top left corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the settings icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. In your settings, you have to scroll down and tap on notifications. In notifications, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the option that says stories from friends. So you have to make sure that this option is turned off. Once you make that sure, you have another method to confirm whether your notifications are turned off. So to do that, you have to scroll down and click on Manage Story Notifications. Now over here, you have to make sure that none of your friends are selected or checkmarked, because doing that can also result in receiving notifications from them whenever they post a story. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.